It is now 4 p.m. on June 2nd, Beijing time. Yesterday, the video suggested that EURUSD go long below 1.0614. There's no chance of a callback to enter the market, and it rose from 1.0668 to 1.0781 in advance, with a cumulative increase of 113 points. Then there is gold. Yesterday's video suggested to go long below 1941, and there was no callback from 1953.4 to 1983.5. With a cumulative increase of 304 points, the direction is correct, but there is no opportunity to enter the market. It can only be used as a direction reference. The US debt ceiling agreement is being voted on this week, and the Federal Reserve has also released a number of important economic data. Waiting for key points before participating in operations will reduce the possibility of making mistakes. Although the signals in video did not enter the market yesterday, from April 1st to today, a total of 26 orders were traded in the intraday signals, with a total of 4 losses and 22 gains. In addition, Lao Dai's account has also been using EA programs for short-term trading. In May, it generated a total net profit of $25,306. Recalculated in June, it only made a small profit of $298 yesterday. The main reason is that the EA program has been set not to trade on non-agriculture days, so it has been operating cautiously this week, and the profit will start to increase little by little next week. We will also disclose Lao Dai's main account to friends who are concerned. If you are interested, add the contact information at the top of the screen to ask for the observation password, and you can view the whole process of real-time operation. If it suits you, consider joining the trader group or participating in account management business. How to operate today? Let's look at EURUSD first. Last night, it was recommended to short sell EURUSD above 1.0731. Affected by the rising expectations of the Federal Reserve's suspension of interest rate hikes in June, EURUSD rose to 1.0781. Make a reminder if there is a good selling opportunity. And gold experienced 2 waves of market yesterday. The US ADP employment data was negative for gold and silver, and the news of PMI data superimposing the suspension of interest rate hikes stimulated the rise of gold prices. If the non-agricultural data does not have an excellent performance tonight, such as the announced value of the number of employed people above 270,000, it may be difficult to raise the expectation of raising interest rates in July. The resistance of 1953 to 1942 below the gold price will turn into support. It is recommended to be bullish below 1951 within the day. Gold can be long in 1941 to 1940 and put the stop loss at 1938. If the non-farm payrolls tonight are higher than expected, it will support the Fed to keep interest rates high for longer. If it is lower than expected, it will increase expectations for interest rate cuts and greatly intervene in the market. Conservative friends suggest to only do EURUSD today and then participate in other targets next week. Radical ones pay attention to light positions and set a stop-loss bottom line of 75 points for currency pairs and 150 points for gold. In addition to Europe and gold, 2 to 3 products will be selected from the 5 targets of GBP, AUD, JPY, silver, and crude oil, including their supports, resistance, and directions will be given for reference. The upper part is yesterday's signals review chart, and the lower part is today's point of view sharing. But it is only recommended for traders who have a certain short-term trading basis. The target point is not placed on the video. Lao Dai will also watch the market trend and notify more accurate selling tips in the group. Scan the QR code on the top of the screen for cooperation consultation and contact me. Finally, I will give you a famous quote from Andy Warhol.